Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your needs. Today, we're going to be talking about the best shop airline kit that you can find. This is the 3/4 x 120 and 200 and 300 feet compressed airline kit from Brvclon, and it is an essential addition to any garage or shop looking for a reliable and efficient air piping system. If you're working on a DIY project or setting up a more permanent compressed air system in your shop or garage, you know how important it is to have a leak-proof, easy-to-install airline system. This Brvclon kit checks all the boxes. The kit includes 3/4 inch HDPE aluminum HDPE triple-layer piping that offers outstanding durability and corrosion resistance. It's built to handle high-pressure environments without compromising the airflow, ensuring that your system performs at its best even under demanding conditions. Installing this kit is straightforward, thanks to the included tools and accessories. You get 2 right-angle fittings, 4 T-fittings, pipe cutting tools, and pipe clamps to make installation easier. Whether you need to mount the piping on the wall, suspend it from the ceiling, or even bury it underground, this system is versatile and capable of withstanding various harsh environments. It's designed for minimal maintenance, making it a hassle-free solution for years to come. A major concern with compressed air systems is leakage, but with this airline kit, you don't have to worry about that. The fittings are precision-engineered with O-rings and come with Teflon tape to ensure a dual layer of leak prevention. After hand tightening, you simply use a tool to tighten it further for a completely leak-proof seal. In addition, Brvclon offers a generous 3-year warranty, ensuring that if there are any issues with installation or the quantity of accessories, they are committed to assisting you. This airline kit gives you everything you need for a professional-grade compressed air setup without the complexity and hassle. So, if you're ready to upgrade your garage or workshop, this Brvclon 3/4 x 120 and 200 and 300 feet compressed airline kit is the perfect solution. It provides exceptional quality, easy installation, and durability, making it the best shop airline kit you can get. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like and subscribe for more reviews like this.